Auzubillahiminash-shaitanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Hello, hi, assalamu alaikum viewers. This is Decor Life signing in once again in front of you with the beautiful and the amazing small pot ideas, which is very interesting and very wonderful ideas. So watch the video till end and try these ideas of small pots at your homes and at your places. And if you like the video, then don't forget to press the thumbs up button, or if you like one of the idea from this video, then write in the comment section. Welcome back to the Decor Life viewers. Hope you all are fine. May Allah Almighty bless you always with the prosperity, health and wealth. Viewers, as you can watching on your screen, today Decor Life present in front of you a very small pots, which is very interesting and very in trend nowadays. So watch the video for these wonderful and beautiful ideas. Viewers, these are made up of totally hand, and these look very wonderful at your homes and places. This one is very wonderful also. Each and every one is very beautiful and wonderful. Viewers, these pots look. Viewers, these pots not look very wonderful at some times, but it gives a very wonderful pleasure to everyone with these flowers and plants. Viewers, here I am going to remind you about the subscription of my channel. If you are not subscribed yet, then subscribe it first, and don't forget to follow my channel by clicking and pressing the bell icon also, so that Decor Life put some interesting videos of pots and other things. You can get notification first and get benefit from these. Viewers, Decor Life always want your daily support, so support us on daily basis by sharing my channel, and visit my channel for more interior and decorative ideas of your homes and places. So stay tuned with us. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz. Till then, bye bye. Take care.